Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage Siri responses, so spoken or non-spoken, on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So it doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is going to work the same as on mine. So if you want to manage the Siri responses, so for example, even if the silent mode, in the silent mode, you want to hear the Siri response, or you just don't want to hear the Siri response and any condition, you can manage those settings and the Siri and search. So let's open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit to go to the Siri and search. And here you have the option called Siri responses. So click on this one. And now it means that it is done automatic. So Siri will use on-device intelligence to automatically determine when to speak. So for example, if you have your silent mode on, the Siri is not going to respond loudly. She's just not going to speak. If you set prefer spoken responses, as you can see, Siri will speak responses including when silent mode is on. So let's check it out. If it is, now I do have the silent mode on, so hey Siri, what's the weather like in Krakow?
It's currently cloudy and 9 degrees.
As you can hear, she is speaking even in the silent mode. So if you're going to choose automatic, for example, in the focus modes, when you're driving, or in some conditions, the iPhone is going to decide when to speak or where to not. And if you're going to choose prefer silent responses, so even if I'm not in the silent mode off, Siri will respond silently except you appear to be driving or using headphones with the screen off. So as you can see, if you're going to have the navigation on, you're going to be driving and ask Siri something, she's going to speak, but otherwise you're going to get a private silent response. So let's check this out. Hey Siri, what's the weather like in Krakow today? As you can see, she's not saying anything right now. So I'm going to leave it on automatic, so this is the best for me. And again, how to get to those settings. So open settings, swipe down, go to Siri and search, go to Siri responses, and here you are. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.